Hello friends, I'm back with my new video Chemistry Water Unit 4. So now we started in the Unit 3 some things, right? So now we'll see how the removal of suspended impurities will be there. So we can remove by two methods. The first one is the sedimentation and the decantation, and next is the filtration. Filtration will happen when you see a funnel. Yes, same like this. Here the round bottom flask or flat bottom flask will be available. Here the filter paper they'll be keeping. Okay, so from here, only the water will be moving, only the water will be passing through it. The impurities will be left over here. That is the filtration. Sediment and decantation. Sedimentation is where you draw like this. You will have the beaker, and then if it is sand and water, okay, sand and water, the water will be the upper portion, okay. It will form two layers. The sand will remain at the down of the beaker, and then they'll transfer it to another beaker, only the water. Okay, that's how. As I told you, they'll be using even alum to do that. Okay, alum and lime. And next process involved are alum and lime are added to the water in the sedimentation tank. Then they colligate the suspended impurities, which soon they settle down. Filtration, as I told you, sand and gravel. Process involved. The water after the sedimentation is passed through the beds of the sand and gravel. The sand and gravel layers remove the remaining suspended impurities, which microorganisms and pure water remains behind in the filtration. So now we'll see how to remove the harmful germs. We have two types. One is the chlorination. The another one is the boiling. Chlorination and boiling. And then how do we the brief thing about the chlorination? Chemicals used are chlorine, bleaching powder, ozone or potassium permanganate. This is very important. Potassium permanganate. Okay, it's a thing which can be removed. How the process is involved? Okay, liquid chlorine is added in the chlorination tank to kill germs in the filter water. The water then passes into overhead tanks and then later enters home. Okay. First, it goes into the chlorination tank and then it kills the germs and then it goes to filter water. Then the water passes overhead tanks and later into homes. The process of germs. Removing germs is also called sterilization. What is it is called as? It is called as sterilization. Okay, can also be achieved by exposure of water to air and sunlight, and by air reaction in which air under pressure is passed through the filtered water. So now this is how it goes. I'll show you. 1 minute. Yes. See, this is the river. Okay. This is the river where it goes into the pumping tank. It goes into the pumping tank. Here you can see there is a connection. Next, the sediment tank, where it all the impurities of all things will be left down. And next is the filtration tank. Filtration tank is where it all filters. And next into the chlorination tank. And then to overhead tank into the home. This is how the purification plant for city water supply. How the water supply for city will pass? You say filter water. That's how they do so many things to purify the water. Half of the good minerals will also be dead because of these purification, but it's our duty to kill the impurities of the water. Next, boiling. The boiling is not used all over the world, and it is not the big it is not the big it is not a big thing to do for all over the world. It is only for household. It's only for your house to make boiling and then drink it. Boiling also kills the germs. Okay. Distillation. Distillation. To obtain pure water in the laboratory or using distillation still, on distillation, the impure water changes to steam which condenses back to give pure water. That is here you can see the tripod stand and the Bunsen burner, round bottom flask, and this is the thermometer. And here the gases is being collected. Okay, this is the laboratory method. And here the condenser, here the water will be passing. Finally, here the pure water will be there. This is the normal the round bottom flask and the condenser will be there. Here, there the gases, the impure gases will be there, and the pure water come here. The gases go there. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.